Are you using LinkedIn but not seeing any real business results? Well, chances are you're missing out on the power of a LinkedIn virtual assistant. Today, I'll show you how a LinkedIn VA can help you grow your network, generate leads, and boost your brand without you even lifting a finger. Imagine having a VA optimize your profile, engage with connections, and send out personalized messages, all while you focus on closing deals. I'll break down exactly how that works. So LinkedIn is an incredible platform for building your brand and networking with potential leads, but who actually has time to sit there all day and manage it? I mean, you've got a business to run. So this is exactly why this task is perfect to outsource to a VA. Someone who's completely focused and dedicated to growing your connections and reaching out to new leads all day. Here's an example of all the things a LinkedIn VA could do for you. 1. Optimize your LinkedIn profile so that you're more appealing to your target audience. 2. Ensure that your profile is SEO optimized so that you show up in search results. 3. Design graphics, banners, and LinkedIn posts for you. 4. Research relevant industry news and articles for you to share on your profile. 5. Send personalized connection requests and messages. 6. Engage with leads by liking, commenting, and sharing. 7. Joining LinkedIn groups and engaging with leads there too. And 8. Track and report on LinkedIn activity. Now imagine a VA was doing all of this for you while you use your time and energy on closing those deals and getting those sales in and growing your business. So let me give you a real life example of how this works at Outsourcing Angel. So this is 𝗓𝗓. She is our executive assistant from Singapore. As part of her daily tasks, she actually looks after appointment scheduling, sending reminders and follow-ups, and answering inquiries. But what makes her a true angel is her incredible work on LinkedIn for our sales manager, Heidi. So Heidi spends a lot of her time meeting with leads, talking to clients, and strategizing on how to continually grow the businesses. And she's also attending networking events as well. So while she's doing all of this, 𝗓𝗓 actually acts as Heidi on LinkedIn. 𝗓𝗓's goal is just to grow Heidi's LinkedIn profile and connections, which eventually leads to a lot of sales for us. And this is exactly how she does it. I'm sharing a secret with you now. So we actually use an AI tool in our website which captures all sorts of data about our site visitors based on their IP address. You can get everything from the company that they work for to even a link to the LinkedIn profile. And this is all collected within that AI tool. She'll send them personalized messages, leave thoughtful comments on their posts, sometimes even share their posts to improve the engagement of it. And if we have helpful resources like ebooks or downloadable guides, she'll send them as direct messages to these leads as well. And that keeps Heidi at top of mind. She also checks all of our Outsourcing Angel socials such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And when there's a relevant post on those channels that she could repurpose on Heidi's profile, she will create and schedule this on behalf of Heidi. And the end result of this is that we constantly get clients saying, your staff, they're everywhere on LinkedIn. Like, I want that too. Little do they know until we tell them that this is actually our process and this is 𝗓𝗓's amazing work. And that is exactly what a LinkedIn VA could do for you. So if you're interested in hiring a skilled LinkedIn VA, our team, we actually put together a detailed guide that breaks down exactly how to do that, and we're giving it away for free. You can download our guide called Hiring a LinkedIn Virtual Assistant by clicking over here, I think, or you can go to the link in our description below. Now let me share with you the 3 ways that a VA can actually maximize your growth on LinkedIn. Number 1, networking on LinkedIn. First, of course, is through networking. Did you know that 4 out of 5 LinkedIn members drive the actual decisions in their business? This means that LinkedIn provides you with an available pool of decision makers in your target audience, and you could potentially boost your sales just by starting conversations with them. But that's way easier said than done, am I right? Networking on LinkedIn is extremely time consuming, but if you have a VA, they can do the following things for you. They can send personalized connection requests, follow up with potential leads, engage with key influencers in your industry, join and participate in LinkedIn groups to build authority, and track interactions to ensure that follow-ups don't slip through the cracks. Now, with a VA handling all of these tasks, you'll be able to build a meaningful connection without spending hours and hours doing it all by yourself. Number 2, lead generation on LinkedIn. Another way VAs can help maximize LinkedIn for you is through lead generation. Now, LinkedIn's lead conversion rates are 3 times higher than any other major ad platforms, but it's almost impossible to leverage LinkedIn without the right help. Generating leads on LinkedIn may sound straightforward, but it entails a lot of detailed and time-consuming tasks, such as identifying and researching potential leads in your target market, crafting personalized connection requests to stand out, sending follow-up messages to nurture the relationships and keep the conversation going, engaging with prospects' posts to stay visible and build rapport, plus tracking and managing lead responses to ensure that no opportunities fall through the cracks. Now, a LinkedIn VA can do all of these things for you, and these efforts will ultimately help bring in quality leads while you just work on closing the deals. Number 3, branding and content distribution on LinkedIn. Lastly, a LinkedIn VA can help you with branding and content distribution on the platform. Whenever people are thinking about branding, they're thinking it's just posting randomly here and there and then people will magically know what you are all about. But that is not how it works, especially not on LinkedIn. So here are 3 LinkedIn facts that you should know for your branding strategy. Fact 1, long-form content gets the most shares on LinkedIn. Fact 2, LinkedIn posts with images receive 98% more comments than those without. And fact 3, videos get shared 20 times more than any other content format on LinkedIn. Now, looking at these statistics, it's clear that you have to emphasize long-form text content, some personal images, and videos if you can. So with help, you can get more visibility on the platform, but it also means that you have to consistently create all of these marketing materials, and on top of that, your brand voice needs to stand out while you're doing all the work. So if you really just don't have the time to do all those things properly, it could be the reason why you're not seeing any results on LinkedIn. But with a dedicated virtual assistant, you can have someone to look after all of that for you. So they can help you build your brand while you just focus on running your business. And on top of that, virtual assistants can also take care of other tasks that you need to get done as well. So if you want a LinkedIn VA to also look after your admin work, coordinating with your team, responding to your emails, setting your appointments, and more, they can do all of that too. And that's how a VA can help you get results on LinkedIn. If you want to know how to hire a LinkedIn VA who can handle networking, lead generation, and more, then be sure to check out our free guide, Hiring a LinkedIn VA. It's packed with everything you need to get started, from identifying tasks to outsource, to finding the perfect VA for your business. And you can download it now for free using the link in the description below. And if you want our experienced team to do all of the hard work of vetting and hiring a VA for you, just go to outsourcingangel.com/discovery to book a discovery call with us. That is completely free. We can help you find a VA tailored to your business. We handle all the recruitment, onboarding, training processes, and even manage the VA's payroll and benefits. Plus, we offer continuous support from all our team members. So you can even talk to me if you like. You can talk about any upskilling opportunities with your VA. We've got a dedicated VA community that just focuses on that. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video for more helpful tips. See you!